Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Today, inshallah, we are going to discuss Module 3, Part B. Part B is entitled DIY. DIY, what does it mean? It means, or it stands for, do it yourself, and it refers to making things on your own rather than paying a professional to do it for you or buying them ready made. Okay, we have two discussion questions at the beginning of the reading. Do you like making or fixing things? Yes, I do. How good are you at DIY? I'm quite good. Okay, now let's listen to the reading part. Three students or three people are Bill, Tom, and
3B. DIY. 2. Read. A. Look at the picture. What do you think Bill and Tom are making? Listen to the dialogue and find out. Then read it out in groups.
the dialogue. Tom, Ali, and Bill.
Put it down over there.
Need any help, guys?
I think we can manage by ourselves.
Okay.
Actually, can you turn that TV off? I can't hear myself think.
I'll turn the volume down a bit.
Can you turn the light on? We need more light in here.
Do it yourself. I'm reading my magazine.
Okay, I'll do it.
Right, let's read the instructions.
I can't be bothered. How difficult can it be to put together a bedside table?
You're right. It's a piece of cake. You just join these bits of wood together.
Okay, here are the screws.
Guys, I think you're missing something.
Leave it to us, Ali.
Complete.
Yeah, you just read your magazine.
Whatever you say.
This can't be right. There are 4 holes on the top.
It's probably upside down. Let's turn it over.
Isn't it supposed to move around?
Don't push it like that. You'll scratch it.
Maybe those holes are where you attach the wheels.
He has a point.
Wheels? What wheels?
Take a look in the box.
Thanks, Ali. How did you know it needed wheels?
Because I'm clever. And there's an advert for it here in my magazine.
Here, after reading the dialogue, there are some expressions and phrases. We have to find their meanings. Number 1, on our own. It means by ourselves. I can't think of because of the noise, I can't hear myself think. I don't want to spend time doing it. I can't be bothered. It's very easy. It's a piece of cake. His idea is right. He has a point. We'll move to the vocabulary section. Here are some phrasal verbs and their meanings. For example, turn on means to begin the operation. يعني يشغل. The opposite العكس بتاعها turn off to stop the operation. And turn over to bring the bottom to the top and vice versa. اللي هو يقلب. Turn up to increase the volume. يرفع الصوت. turn down يخفض الصوت, to reduce the volume. Okay, here are some expressions. We have to memorize them well. Listen carefully and complete using the phrasal verbs.
3. Vocabulary. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the phrasal verbs in the box. Then listen and check your answers.
1. The car went out of control and turned over 3 times before it stopped in the middle of the road. 2. My dad wants to turn the garage into a gym. 3. Could you turn the TV on? I'd like to see the weather forecast for tomorrow. 4. Quick, turn up the volume. I want to hear that news story. 5. Don't forget to turn off the printer before you leave. 6. Turn that awful TV program down. It's too loud. 7. The day turned out to be warmer than we had expected.
Now we'll move to the grammar point. Personal pronouns. The main point here is reflexive pronouns. Now let's see or watch this PowerPoint presentation about using the reflexive pronouns. Okay. Reflexive pronouns is a special kind of pronoun. It's usually used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject. لما يكون عندي الجملة فيها الفاعل والمفعول نفسه, هنا بستخدم الرeflexive pronoun أو الضمير المنعكس. طبعا كل ضمير فاعل بيبقى له ضمير منعكس. Okay. The reflexive pronoun is myself. You singular, yourself. You plural, yourselves. He himself. She herself. It itself. We ourselves. They themselves. When to use a reflexive pronoun? Number 1, when the subject and object are the same. I hurt myself. They hurt themselves. He shot himself. Number 2, they are used as the object of a preposition. They are used as the object of a preposition when the subject and the object are the same. I bought a present for myself. She did it by herself. That man is talking to himself. Number 3, they are used when you want to emphasize the subject. It means that هنا يبقى الفاعل قام بالفعل بدون مساعدة. I'll do it myself. No one else will help me. They ate all the food themselves. No one else had any. Okay? Complete the sentences with the correct reflexive pronouns. Number 1, the saucepan was very hot and Susan burned it. Susan, she, herself. We finished the project by we, ourselves. I bought myself. My dad, he, himself. Did you do that all by kids? Kids here, plural, yourselves. Are you talking to yourself, a singular pronoun? Okay, that's today's lesson. Thank you very much. Best wishes for you all.